Hello friends, I'm Michelle from Storytime with Michelle, and this is
Gia
and
Bianca.
And today we're having fun with the Global Kids Activity Deck published by Barefoot Books. And we are traveling to Bhutan in South Asia, and it's next to India and China and Tibet. And there they make art in circles, and they're called mandalas. Have you ever heard of that before?
I think I've heard of that before.
And these mandalas are beautiful pieces of art that they actually destroy afterwards.
Why?
And because the art is supposed to represent something special that you're letting go, and that's something we all have to do in life.
Yeah.
The art is actually meant to represent the universe and the world that we live in, and well, the universe and the world we live in is always changing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You'll need to gather your natural objects. And let's see everything we've gathered today. We've got some sticks, some cool rocks,
Twisty shell.
a shell. What do you have over here, Bianca?
We have some leaves and flowers. We have some flowers, these little weird grass things that I don't know what
Yeah, isn't that nice? And if you don't have access to going outdoors and finding some objects like that, I'll show you later on how to make one with a pencil and a piece of paper. First, to make your very own mandala, you should find a flat, clear area outside, like a patch of grass or maybe a paved area like your patio. Now, we couldn't go outside today, so we're going to use our art table. You can do that too. Now, we place the objects in a pattern that starts in the middle and grows outward. So let's pick one thing that we want to be in the middle of our mandala. What would you like? Maybe the shell, since we only have one of them?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to start making a pattern in circles going outward. It's really nice to think about patterns that we see in nature. So think about the rings that you might see in a tree trunk, or maybe a pattern that you see in a spider web. Now keep in mind, if we were outside, when we finish our mandala, we would just leave it in its place and let the wind or maybe the rain blow it away. Or if we were at the beach, maybe a wave would just come and wash it away. And then we could start all over again. And there you have it. Here is our mandala. Now I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't have all of these objects from nature. Maybe it's a rainy day and you can't go outside. So we're going to clear our space. We're going to get some paper and a pencil. Okay, so we've cleared out our mandala that we made with objects that we found outside, and we're going to create one just with a pencil and a piece of paper. What you're going to do is make a dot right in the middle of your page. And once you've found the middle of your page, you just start making a pattern from the center. So it could be circles, geometric shapes. It could be lines. The idea is to make a pattern that repeats around and around and around. Let your imagination take over. Wonderful job, everybody. You know, I think we might even be able to use these as coloring pages and fill in all of the spaces if you wanted to with different colored pencils. Well, thank you so much for joining us and for making your very own mandala with us. Maybe next time you're outside, you'll be inspired to create another mandala depending on all of the things you see out in nature around you. Until next time, bye.